Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ghostface from Scream. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw a curve down, on the left, and on the right. Then from the tops, let's curve it over and back down. Now let's curve it down, out, and back in to close off the shape of both eyes. And when you're done, you should end up with a sort of curved bean shape. Now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's add a curve. Then let's follow the same curve all the way around and back up, stopping here. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the nose. In between the eyes here, let's draw a curve up and back down. Now let's curve it up into the center from both sides, like this. And now color the nose in black as well. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve underneath the nose here. Then from both sides, let's bring it down. And then a long U-shaped curve down to close it off. And now let's color the mouth in black. Next, let's start on the left side of the mouth and let's draw a curve down. Then continue it all the way down. And let's do the same on the right. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the mask. Let's start underneath the eyes and let's draw a curve down and into the side of the mouth. Then let's hop up on the left side of the eye and draw a curve up. Let's do the same on the top right. And then let's draw a curve across the top to close it off. And that's it for the shape of the mask. Next, let's draw the hood. Let's start on the top in the center and let's draw a small curve. Then from the left, let's angle it down and then curve it down at the end. And the same on the right side. Now for the ends, let's curve it out. And then curve it down, coming to a slight point in the center here. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's leave a gap and let's draw two angles down for the sides of the body. Now let's hop back up and let's draw angled lines down for the shoulders. Then let's bring it down for the sleeves. And then a zigzag line for the bottom of each sleeve. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve down and back into the body for the hands. Next, underneath the left hand, let's draw the knife. Let's draw an angle down, and then curve it back up. Now let's hop back down to the bottom and draw a zigzag line across to close off the bottom of the cloak. Next, underneath, let's draw the legs. Let's start under on the left and let's draw 2 lines down for the pants, and then 2 on the right. Then a curve across the bottom of each one. Next, let's draw the shoes underneath. We'll start with a curve down on the inside, and then from the outside, a curve out and down for the top of the shoes. Now let's close off each foot with a curve. Lastly, inside the bottom of each foot, let's draw another curve across. And that's it for Ghostface. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!